Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am in a very big need of washing my entire makeup brush collection and also my sponges. So I'm going to be showing you how I do it in a very easy and affordable way. And if you are new here, then hi, I'm Joanna and I do all kinds of makeup and beauty videos, so consider subscribing. But without any further ado, let's get onto the bathroom. Okay, so welcome to the bathroom, and I do have in here all of my makeup brushes and also my sponges. You will need a clean towel to dry them a little bit. I also do like to have a little container with water. This one is a little bit dirty because I still have in here some things from Halloween that I will also clean next. And then all you will need is a bar of soap. This one I think is from Lidl. This is Milk and Honey or something like that for sensitive skin. And then I also have this cleaning mat from Primark. You don't absolutely need to have something like this, you can just use your hands, but this makes it easier. So I like to fill in something like this with warm water. I feel like the warm water makes it easier to kind of melt the makeup off. And I'm going to start with a face brush. This is a foundation brush. Actually, let me zoom you in a little bit. So I take the brush on the water. It is soaking wet and I swirl it on the soap. Really soak the brush with the soap and then scrub the brush into the mat. Now I think this one is getting cleaner, but I'm going to run it on the soap again. Because this is foundation, is a little bit more hard to take off. And then I rinse it on clean water. Then I brush it a little bit on the towel. Okay, and as you can see, it's still got a little bit of foundation in here, so I'm just going to run it a little bit more on the soap. Okay, and here is the brush. It is clean and this part is just a little bit wet. So then I'll leave them with a little bit of inclination down to dry. Now let me do the same thing with the powder brush. This one I use for bronzer. Okay, so here's the brush, perfectly clean and still a little bit wet, but now all I have to do is leave it to dry. Always leave it like this, don't leave it like this or the glue on the bristles may make them come off. So I'm gonna do the same thing with some eye brushes so that you can see. These are very, very dirty and stained. And for these, I'm gonna use a smaller part of this mat. Okay, so here you can see the difference. These look a lot clean and they're also almost dry from the towel. Now I'm going to show you what I do with the sponges, but it's basically the same thing. I completely fill the sponge up with water. I rub the sponge on the soap. Then I rub the sponge with my hands. And then you rinse it, trying to squeeze it out, making sure you remove all of the soap. When you squeeze all the water off, you can kind of feel if there's still soap on the inside of the sponge, because it makes it a little bit of a different texture. And as you can see, it's a lot more clean. I got rid of that green stain, but in here it's still a little bit stained with foundation. So you might need to repeat this process once or twice. Okay, and it's basically clean. Now all I have to do is wash my entire makeup brush collection. Okay, and that is how I wash my makeup brushes. And now all I have to do is leave them to dry, and they'll probably be ready to use tomorrow. And yeah, that is everything for this video. If you liked it and you found it helpful, then don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below how you wash your makeup brushes. And on my next video, I'm going to be doing 3 looks with the Conspiracy palette, 3 very different looks. This is one of them, and if you want to see that and more videos like this every Monday and Thursday, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, that is everything for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!